Hi.
Hello. Hello, my
Yeah.
dear. Okay, honey, did you
What?
why did you were you the one who asked if I have the available time at 4:30? Did you?
Um. I need the time to prepare the exam with my teacher, but now it's okay. Everything is okay.
Yeah, especially on Sunday, honey. I am not really available because yeah, I just had class at 4:30 to 5 and then yours will be 5 to 5:40. Yes.
Yes. No,
Is it okay?
that is okay.
Okay, well, that's fine. That's fine, right?
Mhm. Yes, it's fine.
Will you have the preparation for the exam with your teacher now?
Mm, like let's say I have studied in the central, and they told me if okay, you can go early to learn, but yeah, I think I just go to there at usual time.
Okay. But you wanted to be earlier, right?
Not very.
Ah, I really thought you're going to I really thought you're going to how do I say this one? I really thought you're going to cancel your class with me tonight. So that's why I asked you if you're going to join. Yeah. I said, "Are you
Yeah.
going to join your 5 p.m. class with me?" And then you said, "No. I just want the usual time." I said, "Huh?" In my mind, "Huh? Your time with me is 5." Okay.
Yeah.
I am also confused because you said, "No, you won't." I said, "Huh? Usual time, but our usual time is 5." Okay.
Yeah.
Anyway, will we have the book
I
tonight?
think what?
But you first.
I think you change your airport.
Yes. I changed it, honey, to a wireless one. So whenever I want, like for example, I want to go to the kitchen. Yeah, I want to go to the
Yeah.
kitchen and then I want to get some water and then ask you to wait. You can still hear me and I can still hear you. Yeah, even if I
Oh.
go outside to pick up my parcel, you can still hear me. Yeah, because the last
Um.
one is wired. Wait, I'm going to show you this one. Hold on. Okay, here. This one is wired. It comes with a wire.
Yeah.
So yeah, I really can't I really can't stand up talking using this one because it comes with a wire. Yeah. So I've upgraded to a little bit expensive one, honey. It's kind of
Yeah.
expensive.
I know.
Yeah,
Mhm.
but I need it. I don't care.
Yeah.
I really need it. So yeah, it's okay if it's a little bit expensive. Let me just turn on my AC, honey, okay? My aircon because it's kind of hot. At this moment, it's very hot. Okay. How's your day, Louise? Did you go somewhere today?
No, I'm not.
Oh, so you only stayed at home.
Yeah.
But later you will be going out for your academy, right? Or for your center?
Yes. Yes,
Oh,
that's right.
okay. All right. So I am now. Louise, are we going to have the book tonight?
Mm, okay.
Okay. This is the new book, my dears. We're already done actually with the last one last time. We had a speaking part two.
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's have the cat extra test one.
Yes.
Can you see here in the picture?
Yeah. Um, I can see a lot of children. They are playing in the neighbor in the town. It's in the town.
Yes, in the town. And look at the buildings, honey. Do they look good?
Yeah. Good. not very good.
You know, have you ever experienced this one before? You know, playing outside with friends and stuff, playing like
Um,
this in your
I have
neighborhood.
to, if a little.
Okay, me, I've experienced this. Yeah, playing outside. Yeah, I was very brown before, honey. I am not white before. I don't look really white before. I mean, I don't look pale before. I was really brown because Philippines is so hot and we play outside. That's why my skin before was very tan. Now, honey, tell
Yeah.
me about your neighborhood right now. Tell me something about your neighborhood right now.
Mm, I think my neighborhood is very kind. Uh, they helpful, and I think they are energy too. They have a lot of energy because they can
Mm.
sing the karaoke all day, all night.
That's what you told me.
Yeah,
all day, all day and all night. Like, what time of the
yeah.
day do they start singing?
Okay. Um. Like I want to say I have seen some people they come from in another country and they
Mm-hmm.
go to Vietnam. They are very surprised
Mm-hmm.
because at um half past 5 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
Like they say Vietnamese is very noisy because at 5 a.m. he can say every like the train station like the motorbike, the car because they're very noisy because at this time lot of students in Vietnam they are going to school
Mm-hmm.
and you know at um at 7 p.m.
Mm-hmm.
everybody all get up and they do their work
Mm-hmm.
at 7 p.m.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I want to say this word. Like they are, what is this? Like they are
They
drink
drink.
together.
They drink together.
Yes,
Oh, early in the morning.
no, in 7 p.m.
Oh, okay. That's not early though. So
Yeah,
maybe that's
but
okay. That's okay.
but at
What?
10 p.m. they
Mm-hmm.
are sing karaoke.
Oh, here, honey, people aren't allowed to sing karaoke here at 10 p.m. We can just sing from the morning up until 7 or 8 p.m. But 10, that's a curfew. Someone will call the police. Yeah, that's here, honey. We call the police if someone's very noisy at 10 p.m. Yeah, we have a curfew. Do you know what is curfew?
No,
Okay, here. Curfew is this. It's
Lệnh giới nghiêm.
oh,
yeah.
ah, I have things special.
Hmm.
Do you watch football? The woman football.
No, but I watched it from the TikTok.
I think you know this. Like the do you remember uh in what is this? What is do you know SEA Games?
Mm-hmm.
SEA
Ah, yeah,
Games.
Sea Games. Sea Games, yeah.
The Philippines have
One.
vs Vietnam at the middle.
Oh,
And
so who won? Uh-uh.
um at like 5 years ago,
Mm-hmm.
always Vietnam all won. But
Mm-hmm.
yeah, Philippines will win at this year.
Oh, well, that's good.
But no, I'm not. I think not very because okay, I will show to you this. I will show to you this. Can I show to you this?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so allow me. Okay. 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 What do you often watch? Sleep? Like what program you often watch?
I don't actually I don't have any programs, honey, but for the sport, if you're asking about the sport, I usually watch volleyball, but just Philippine volleyball, honey. Not SEA
Oh.
Games, not internationally. I'm not actually interested with sports.
Okay. 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 Yes.
At
Can I watch
2023
it?
SEA Games, there was a controversial incident
Oh,
involving a
oh,
girl
sorry.
from
Wait,
Laos.
wait, wait. It's
Okay.
2025. Um,
No, what's the specific date, honey? You have to add the specific date of the game.
yeah, I know, but I'm not remember.
Okay.
Okay, okay. Can you read it?
Wait for a while, honey. I will just type
Mhm.
the one that you said.
Okay.
Okay. Again. You're talking of the Vietnam's women football team has been one of the strongest teams in Southeast Asia. They've consistently performed in tournaments like SEA Games, AFC Women's Asia Club, the World Cup qualifiers. Vietnam's women's football team is known for their skill, teamwork, and strong mentality, which had earned many titles and recognition in regional sports. If you're referring to a specific environment Philippines, it could be really exciting, especially the Philippines women's team has also been rising in prominence in recent years, making for a great rivalry. Okay. Yeah, so the Vietnamese women's football team, honey, are really
Yeah.
strong. Yeah, you have such a strong team. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Here,
But the
honey.
refer,
Uh-huh.
but I want to say, like the refer, this mean
Mm-mm.
they are not. They are not. That she is come from Laos, and she
Mm.
is not fair. She is not fair.
Mm. So, I have a question.
Yes.
Okay? Do you think
Okay.
the Philippines didn't really deserve to win because of the referee?
Um, no. Like we are like in Vietnamese. We have the goal.
Mm-hmm.
We have the goal, and
Mm-hmm.
if the goal is normally
Mm-hmm.
is the beautiful goal, but the refer is say that is it say that is offside,
Mm-hmm.
offside,
Mm-hmm.
and but it's not offside. And AF Cup, A AF Cup is like the club of football in Asia have
Mm-hmm.
like say sorry to Vietnam because it's
Mm-hmm.
referred.
But did
Yeah,
you
I want.
think
Yeah.
but did you think that Philippines won because the referee sided with them, not
Mm,
because they're good or they did their best.
oh, Philippines is good, but yeah, all of the Philippines in this team are like I want to say they all of them are the crossbred,
Crossbred.
What do you mean
crossbred,
crossbred? What do you mean crossbred? That they are not full
cross.
Filipino? That they're
They
half Filipino, half American, something like that? What's crossbred?
um,
Crossbred, hybrid.
they are hybrid between two countries, like Philippines and somebody.
So you mean to say, honey, if it's a full Filipino, if for example me, I'm not hybrid, I am not half American, and I'm just full 100% Filipino. Do you think I would win? Do you think my other teams would win or no?
I think the hybrid or not is normally because all of clubs all have the hybrid. But I want to say the refer they are not fair.
Ah,
Yeah, maybe the
ah.
Philippines, the Philippines and like I want to say the Filipinos, the the Philippines and the Filipinos, like the Philippines people, they are fair. But I want to say the refer they are not fair.
I see, honey. Okay, but just because the Philippine team are hybrids, that's why the referee isn't being fair. Yeah. How about the Vietnamese team, Luis? Are they all Vietnamese, like 100% Vietnamese?
Or they are all of them are Vietnamese.
Ah, I see. Actually, honey, let me explain to you, okay? Why
Okay.
there are a lot of hybrid, as you can see, hybrid Filipinos in the women's football. Sabi yun na. It's because actually football is not a big deal here. Hold on, honey, wait. Football is not a big deal here. You know what it means? You know what it means?
Like it's
It
not
means,
important.
yeah,
Philippines.
it's not really famous here. Like no
Oh,
one, yeah, that's why most of the Filipinos, for me, okay, I'm not a half Filipino. I am a full Filipino. It's
yeah.
really rare to find a full Filipino to be, okay, let me explain this to you. It
Yeah.
is really rare to find a full blooded Filipino to join
Mhm.
a football competition because it's not is here. Filipinos so they Filipino, not a full
What?
full
Oh, wait.
blooded one here.
Okay.
I will put it in the chatting box.
Yeah. Yeah. But I want to show you this. But I don't know. You see, oh wait. There here is like the total of sea games. But I think it's wrong. You see? Do you see it? Do you see it?
Yeah.
Wait for me. You see it? Okay.
Mm,
Vietnam is 278.
mm.
But I don't know. Philippines, they are 277.
27.
But
They're
Yeah,
on, yeah, they're the
Oh.
6th.
Yeah, I don't know why.
Why Yeah, I don't know too,
Like,
honey.
yeah.
Maybe because of the HCV, honey. This one. Maybe because of the HCV. You got higher.
No.
You got 87, and we got only 50. Maybe that's the reason
Ah,
why. And then you got
maybe.
100. You got 81, and then we just got 73. Or maybe that's just really wrong. Honey, did you read the message I sent to you?
What?
Read the
Ah,
message.
okay.
Yeah,
Okay, okay.
it's in the chatting box.
Okay. Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
I think have the Philippines no normally have like but I think a little.
Yeah, just a little. I think just maybe 30%. Yeah, it's not widely
Yeah.
known here. The very famous one here, honey, is the um volleyball and basketball.
Oh,
Yeah.
do you know to play basketball?
Mm-hmm.
Do you know to how to play basketball?
Okay. Me?
Yes.
No.
Oh,
No, I don't like it. As I've told you, honey, I'm not really interested to sports. Like, it's so tiring. My dad likes it, but me, no.
you know, I have to play basketball for what is it, 7 years.
Mm-hmm.
No, oh, how many years? 5 years. I have played basketball 5 years,
Mm-hmm.
and I love it. But I don't know how to play volleyball. I have watched, but I think basketball is so hard.
Really? Volleyball is so hard?
Yeah.
But for me, honey, I'm more interested in watching volleyball than basketball. Yeah, both
Yes.
games are really nice, but yeah, both okay. So yeah,
Okay.
would there be another game for Vietnam versus
What?
Philippines? Would there be another match for Vietnam versus
Um,
Philippines?
Vietnam vs Philippines.
Yeah.
I think a lot, but like futsal, volleyball, basketball, or something. I see, but I don't like SEA game in this year. Do you know why?
Why?
You know, okay, okay, um, okay. I think I will use ChatGPT to talk about this. Mhm. You know, in next year, in 2027, Malaysia, the SEA game is beginning the Malaysia.
Mm, really? I
Yeah.
see. Okay. Honey, can I get some water? You search here. You
Yes,
search
okay.
there. Okay. I will just get some water. Okay. Hold on. Just talk there, honey. You can still hear me actually.
Okay.
I am now in the kitchen. Can you still hear my voice?
Yes, I can hear.
Honey? Okay.
Okay. Wait, wait. Mm, okay. I
Oh,
want to say this.
okay.
Let me see. Okay. Oh. What? Sorry, sorry. Uh, okay.
Okay.
So you see it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It's in Thailand, right, honey?
It's in
Cambodia?
Thailand. Oh
Thailand,
no,
Thailand?
Thailand, Thailand.
Yeah. Oh, I would like to tell you. Yeah, yeah. That's not really real. And yeah, I am also mad about it, honey. Sorry,
Yeah.
Mm. Okay. I will tell you this. Me, I don't like it too. One thing that I didn't like it, honey, is that okay. Are you listening to me, honey?
Yes, I'm listening to you.
Well, there's a Filipino basketball team. We call it Gilas Pilipinas. Okay.
Yes,
And when they arrive to Thailand, honey, okay, that's
yes.
really something so not so good because they were riding a bike from they were riding a bus from the Sea Games
Yeah.
organization, okay, and something was really off about it. Something was really weird about it, honey. You know why?
Why?
Because
What?
the bus stopped in the road, and the driver said that it's not working. Yeah.
Mm,
So the player said, "Oh no, this is not fair." The basketball players the basketball players thought or think that, oh, maybe they are doing this so that we will be late. Yeah, we will be late from the game, and we can't practice something like that. Do you understand
yeah.
it, honey?
Yes, I'm understand.
Yeah. Like I think it's not really good. I think they don't want the Philippines to win.
Maybe yes, because
Yeah,
you are. I think Philippines are good at volleyball and basketball.
not so. I'm not going to say that they're really really good. No, I don't think that. I think just 70%.
That's okay.
Yeah.
I wish, I wish the in 2028
Mm-hmm.
is in Vietnam because
Mm.
at this time we have this. Do you know
Mm.
what is it?
What is it?
What do you think it look like?
It's like an arena. Oh, it looks so good.
This
Whoa.
is at now is not
Uh-huh.
nothing, but in 2028, this is the national drums in Vietnam, and it
Oh,
is the stadium, and it have this, and this. This is the stadium,
do you have it now?
like no, in 2028.
It's still like a plan, honey.
Yeah, yeah,
I
but
see.
this is the biggest, biggest
Oh,
stadium in the world. It is,
really? Honey, you say it will be. It will be the biggest
it
stadium in the
will be.
world.
It will be the biggest stadium in the world, and it's
Very good.
very, very beautiful.
Mm.
And we have this too.
Yeah, it looks very, very Vietnamese, honey. It looks nice.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, and we have this.
Mm.
This is the football stadium too.
Oh, and
And
it's you have you have that one now.
no, in the future,
Still a plan. Yeah.
and two of them is
Mm.
is can be like Olympic, World Cup, SEAGAM, Asia, AFC can practice in this because two
Oh.
of them are the biggest stadium in the world.
Mm.
This one
Oh.
can have 1,035 people in this.
Whoa,
And this
1,000
one,
or 1,000,000?
1,000, 1,050,
Not uh,
35,
not a million, honey, but 1,000.
or 1,000, just 1,000.
Okay,
And
okay.
this one can be have, this one can have 60,000
Mm-hmm.
people in this.
Mm. Whoa,
Yeah.
that one. I like that one better.
You like this
I like
one?
it. Yes, I like it.
But this one are like only this, but this one are like what is it? Like like it have a lot of a lot of thing in this, like
Mhm.
population,
Again,
pop,
population.
Population.
population, like
Population. I see.
a lot
Okay.
of things in this. Yeah, like this is a stadium for have a match, and this is the place to prepare the match.
Hmm. Re
And do
you practice there.
yeah,
The players will practice there, honey.
yeah, like, and do you know what is him?
Mm-hmm.
He is the richest man in Vietnam.
Really? And he will be the
Yeah,
one to build that.
yes, and
Oh.
this here and this him. He is
Mhm.
the president of Vietnam.
Oh, okay. Who will build it, honey? Who will build it? The government or that one, the richest man in Vietnam?
The richest man.
Ah. What's his
He
business?
have he have the company, and his company have the hotel, have the car,
Oh.
like have make the car, have make the
Ah,
hotel, have make the place to travel, and this company means VIN.
DIM. Ah,
Yeah,
let me search
Vin Group.
DIM.
Yes, Vin Group. Vin Group.
DIM. DIM. Ah, so DIM, honey, Dim Tutak, right? Is it right?
His name is what? Sorry.
Is he a Chinese? Is he a
No,
Chinese?
he's Vietnam, Vietnamese, Vietnamese. He's a Vietnamese, not Chinese. Vietnamese people, but I don't know
Let
what
me let
his
me search.
name.
You see. Ah, Phat Nhat Vuong. Pham Pham Pham
Phạm
Nhat
Nhật Vượng. Yes,
Ah,
Phạm Nhật
Vin
Vượng.
Group. Ah, he is
Vin Group.
the founder and chairman of
Yes,
Vin Group. Vin Group, the
yes.
largest conglomerate with Singapore real estate, retail, and electric vehicle company, VinFast. Ah,
VinFast,
billionaires.
VinHome, VinPal, VinTel,
Hmm.
Vin a lot, VinWonder, and VinPort. Lot
Hmm.
of things. He have building the trend, the station. No,
Hmm.
no, 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 no. Like he have built what is it? The train, the subway,
Oh, the subway. Ooh.
Vinsbit. There's a Vinsbit.
Ooh. I see,
Yeah, I
honey.
want to show to you this.
Hmm.
You know, this stadium building like this, Trông
Hmm.
Dong, Trống Đồng, like the
Ah,
drum,
like
the
that, like that.
national
Ah,
drum.
oh, okay, okay, okay.
Yeah,
It
building
is
this like that.
it is designed to be like that.
Yeah,
Oh,
because
that's
it's recent.
why. That
Yeah.
is why. I see, honey. I see.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks really cool. Here, we have two arenas here, honey.
Huh?
We have two arenas here.
Arena is the one.
Yeah. Philippine
Can you show it to
Arena.
me? Can you show it
Philippine.
to me?
Yeah. This one. I'll show it to you. Here. The Philippine Arena. This one. It's so big. Actually,
Big.
here's the inside.
Oh.
And this is the outside. Where is it? This one is the outside
Yeah,
and outside. Yeah, we also have MOA
Moa
Arena. Yeah, this
Arena,
one.
Moa Arena. Oh, so
Yeah, this one also.
beautiful. It's so
Yeah,
beautiful.
it's really nice actually. And I have been here before. It's so big, very, very big.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know Vietnam have this. I will search
Let's
if
search.
Vietnam have. Hmm?
Oh, you have. You have.
Oh,
Ah, this is the project a while ago that you were talking about, honey. This one.
yeah,
Yeah. And you have a stadium here, Mi Din National Stadium.
yeah. But
Yeah,
now Mỹ Đình or not.
Mi Din National. Ah, okay. Ah, it's a stadium. It is a stadium, honey. I see. Ooh. Oh, volleyball.
We have nothing special stadium. Oh
Oh, Vietnam takes
no, no.
bronze in women's volleyball. You don't have, I think
Mm.
you don't have arena yet, honey. I think you are building a stadium, not an arena. Yeah.
Yeah, like we are building an arena at now, uh, but at now all of arena of Vietnam are like very ugly.
Really? It's not.
Yes, ugly. It's
So
ugly.
where does the national team of what if honey, what if like there's like a basketball competition there from Vietnam
Mm.
to another country, honey? Where do they do the game? Where do they do the basketball game or the tournament? Is there a
I
place
wish.
there?
Mm. Huh? Formula One.
You froze. Are you showing it to me now?
We haven't got any. Mm. Mm. No, we haven't. I would like. I can search. Wait, I will do it again.
Okay.
No, no. We have, but it's so ugly. We have. Oh, okay. I will show to you.
Okay.
Oh, no, 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 no. Something like this, but it's ugly. Very ugly. I think
No.
uh,
It
what
looks like a gymnasium.
gymnasium?
Yeah,
Gymnasium?
gymnasium.
I think so.
Okay,
So
I will
ugly.
search gymnasium. Gymnasium. Foot up. No, not this kind of gymnasium though. Ah, they do the basketball there. I see. But honey, we just have seconds left.
Oh,
Thank you so much, honey. We're going to meet again on Thursday. Bye bye.